So check it out. I got a power washer in my garage. It's got a bunch of the quick connect couplers on it for the wands, for things like that. Now through time, through age, some of the quick connects are leaking, some of the attachment pieces are leaking, and so that's where this fun little kit comes in. This is a 30 pack of pressure washer O-rings, comes in 2 different sizes. You got your teeny tiny 1/4 inch, and then you got your slightly larger 3/8 inch. They are 2 different sizes, and will work for any of your pressure washers that have quick connects that are designed in these 2 sizes. All of our leaks are from old pinched and or rotting O-rings. And so this kit makes it simple and easy for you just to grab one and to pull these out with pliers and to seat these back in, giving you a nice, quick, easy way to refresh your power washer. If you got a power washer that uses the quick connect systems, a quick connect system at all that's a 1/4 inch or a 3/8 inch, check this out. Keep these on hand, put them in your toolbox, because when they fail, it's really annoying if you don't have them. Overall, great little investment, and I think you're gonna love it.